In the digital age, having a professional website isn't just a nice to have, it's a must-have. A well-structured, visually appealing, and user-friendly website can be the difference between a thriving online presence and being lost in the digital abyss. But fear not, because the DIY website builder from Hotwire Networks is here to help. The DIY website builder is a comprehensive tool that simplifies the process of building a website. No need for coding skills or a degree in design. The drag-and-drop functionality and pre-designed templates make it possible for anyone to create a professional-looking website in no time. But the DIY website builder is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with powerful features to help you capture user interest and drive more sales. Build informational sites or multi-page e-commerce platforms with ease. Add text, images, videos, and more with pre-designed content blocks. Connect your site to popular social platforms, capture leads with built-in forms, guide users with maps, and track your website's performance with analytics. With over 150 pre-designed templates, you're spoiled for choice. No matter your brand or vision, there's a template that fits. Plus, regular updates ensure your website always looks fresh and modern. Hotwire Networks believes in affordable options for everyone. That's why there are various website builder plans to fit your budget and needs. All you need to do is compare plans and choose the one that empowers you to turn your website dreams into digital reality. So why wait? Visit the Hotwire Networks website today and discover how the DIY website builder can help you create a professional website that you'll be proud of. Remember to subscribe to the Hotwire Networks channel for more helpful tips and tricks. To conclude, building a professional website doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools, like the DIY website builder from Hotwire Networks, you can create a stunning website that not only looks great but also drives sales and builds your brand. So why not start your free trial today? Your dream website is just a few clicks away. Call us today by dialing 1-866-814-0770 or by going to our website hotwirenetworks.com.